Classic back slat Roman shade styling that attractive from both inside and outside. Back slat protrude for adding stability of Roman shade. Mark the punch position for the mounting brackets. Punch holes for mounting brackets. Insert the expansion screws into the holes. Secure the mounting brackets. Insert the headrail into the brackets. Mark the punch position for the mounting brackets. After determining the location, punch the holes. Insert the expansion screws into the holes. Then, secure the mounting brackets. Finally, insert the headrail into the brackets. Back slat Roman shades, ensuring a neat appearance for both inside and outside.